My name is Carman Autry. I'm a senior here at Wofford College. I major in international affairs, minor in Arabic and religion, and I'm also part of our Middle East and North Africa program. And here is my summer research exhibit on the life and legacy of Omar ibn Said, who was an enslaved African Muslim here in the Carolinas, who is known for his many Arabic manuscripts. The core of this project was that it was an interdisciplinary collaboration between the art department as well as religion. So we had faculty collaborators of Phil and Courtney Dorroll, along with Colleen Ballance. Professor Ballance helped me produce this exhibit that you see here. The core of my project was that I want to create a product that the community, like Wofford community and Greater Spartanburg community, could engage with and learn more about the life of Omar ibn Said. I wanted them to be able to see not only his face, but the work that he produced, and be able to read about his importance as not only as someone who produced these great works, but as an important theologian in the early 1800s. Originally for this project, we were going to see Omar, the debut opera at Spoleto in Charleston in 2020. However, due to COVID, this was postponed, but this coming May, we will have the opportunity to view it in person. After my exhibit closes here at Wofford and I graduate, I have offered to share my exhibit with the International African American Museum in Charleston. To share my work with the greater public beyond Wofford, beyond Spartanburg, with as many people who would like to engage with it. I think it is important that we understand the legacy of not only enslaved Africans in general, but also the importance of understanding the indigeneity of Islam in America.